Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a bunch of jewelry unboxings to share with you guys. This is definitely the biggest jewelry haul that I've ever done on my YouTube channel. And I'm also going to be doing my first true Cartier unboxing too. So super exciting. And right now I actually don't have many pieces of jewelry on. I only have on my wedding band as well as these diamond studs from Idyl. But that's going to change very shortly as we get into this video. I just kept it basic for now because the pieces that I'm going to be unboxing, I actually intend on pairing with the pieces that I'm currently wearing. It'll all make sense as we get further into this video. So I first wanted to start with unboxing my newest pieces from Idyl. And this video is in collaboration with Idyl. I've worked with them a few times already and I love all the pieces that I've gotten from Idyl. All of their jewelry is made with solid 14 karat gold as well as lab grown diamonds, and they're just such timeless pieces. I definitely see myself wearing all the pieces I have from Idyl years into the future. And I just love their approach to jewelry. They make it so fun because they have this modular concept to their jewelry pieces. So for example, these diamond studs that I'm wearing right now are the base piece to a bunch of different earring styles that you can get on their website. All you have to do is get these add-ons and you can change up the look of your jewelry, and it just makes putting on my jewelry every day so fun because there's so many different ways you can pair them. You don't even have to stick with just one add-on to these diamond studs. Sometimes I even do like 2 add-ons at a time. So there's just a lot of diamonds on my ear and I just love that. Who doesn't love a lot of bling, right? So first let me unbox this and I'll show you guys what the new pieces I got from Idyl are. And their presentation just keeps getting better and better. This box is even more luxurious to what they used to have. There's this bow at the bottom right here. And then this box is actually magnetic. So there's like a magnet closing it. And in here, that is a little note that the team at Idyl wrote for me. And then here is actually the newest jewelry pieces that I got from them. But first I wanted to show you what's in here because they always give a little something extra with every order. So here is what I received from them this time. It has the Idyl logo over here, and this is actually this jewelry box, a jewelry case for you to store your jewelry in. So you can put your necklaces here, and then in the bottom layer, this you can put like some bigger bracelets and earrings and rings here. On to the main event. So what's in here? All of their jewelry comes in these little booklets, and I actually have 2 this time. So usually when I get different types of metal colors, they put, for example, like the rose gold pieces are in here, and then the white gold pieces or piece that I got is in this box. So it's just a very nice presentation. It's very well thought out. So let's start with the rose gold pieces first. So I picked these add-ons for the earrings. These are the Jill add-ons. And then this is their necklace add-on right here, which is the Clio, and then it's on their solid gold chain. So here's what the Jill add-on looks like along with the diamond studs. I have the diamond studs in the big size, and I just love how there's different sizes of diamonds all throughout this pair of earrings. It just looks so pretty, so dainty, but still has a large enough presence. And yeah, they just look so nice. To me, it almost kind of reminds me of like a cherry blossom branch in a way. And you guys know I love all things floral with my jewelry. So this is the first piece that I received from Idyl this time. And as I was showing you guys before, there is also this necklace in this box. So let me put this on for you guys next. So this is what their Clio add-on looks like on their solid gold chain. It's the set of 3 diamonds that forms this triangular shape, and you can either wear it like I have it right now, where it comes to a point at the bottom of the pendant, or you can actually flip it upside down so that you have 1 diamond at the top of the triangle and it kind of widens towards the bottom instead. And I just love how even with 1 single add-on, you can wear it multiple ways. I have a few different add-ons from Idyl where you can do the same thing. So these are the rose gold pieces that I received from Idyl. And moving on to the other box that I have from them, which is actually something in white gold. I haven't owned a single ear cuff until now. I never thought that I would actually just wear an ear cuff on its own, but I've been watching this Korean drama called My Demon recently, and the female lead in that show, she tends to wear like ear cuffs, just wearing a single ear cuff with like the other ear even being completely bare. And I just think she looks amazing in them. So yeah, this is going to be a new look for me going forward. I'm going to leave this on just by itself because I really like how this looks. So next, I wanted to share with you guys 2 custom bracelets that I finally got recently. It's been quite a process, I have to say. I first started the process of getting these bracelets created, I think like towards the end of October, and I finally just got them in. So let me see, I'm going to take a peek to see which one I want to open first. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one right here. And this one is in platinum, and this is what it looks like. So this I actually bought because I wanted my wedding band in a bangle form. So here is my wedding band, and then here is the bracelet next to it, and as you can see, it's the same exact style. So it's a sheer prong bangle. This bangle I got in a total of 4 carats for the entire bangle. So this is actually like an eternity style, so there's diamonds all around it. So this is approximately what, like, I guess 2 carats would look like if you just got like diamonds on half of the bangle. And yeah, I just love how sparkly it is. I love how they match. I've been meaning to get this bangle for so long, and I just finally got around to doing it. I was like, okay, it's time. I've been wanting this long enough, so I'm finally going to do it. And yeah, I went with the same jeweler that made my wedding set to make this bangle, just because like I had such a great experience with him making both my engagement ring as well as my wedding band. I don't have my engagement ring on right now because I wanted you guys to see how, you know, this set looked together. I'm so glad I finally decided to get this bangle. Like I said, I've been wanting it for so long, but I kept pushing it off and getting other things instead. But yeah, now that I'm looking at it, maybe I should have gotten this even sooner than I did. And I know I'm going to be wearing this so much because this is like the perfect size for everyday wear. The diamonds aren't too big, aren't too small. And yeah, I just really love this. So this is the first bangle that I had custom made, and then the second one is in this box right here. So I just went all out. I was like, you know what, if I'm going to be making something custom made already, I might as well just make all of the pieces that I have on my mind right now. So the second one is this one right here. So this is slightly different because this is in rose gold, and this is kind of like slightly bigger too. So this is a total of 6 carats on the bracelet. Once again, it's like this eternity style. Let me put this on for you guys next so you can see what it looks like. I'm going to put it on next to the other one so you can see a comparison between what 4 carats as well as 6 carats look like. So here's what the 2 bracelets look like side by side, so you can see the difference between the 2 different carat weights. And I'm going to take off the platinum one right now so you guys can actually focus on the design of the rose gold bracelet that I got. So this bangle is actually a different style to the one before. This is a 3-prong bangle, and I really wanted to have this type of alternating triangular shape to the bangle. I went through so many revisions of the design before I settled on this one. I basically wanted it to really look triangular, like without a doubt it's definitely triangular, but I didn't want there to be like kind of like a triangular base to it because that would require too much metal, and I didn't want this to be too metal heavy. It was kind of nerve-wracking waiting to see how this would look like in real life, because my jeweler and I, we kind of went through a bunch of revisions to the model on the computer, and at the end of all of that, I had an idea, I had a feeling that it was going to look how I wanted it to look. But you know, sometimes when you're looking at like a model, even though, you know, it is kind of shown in like a three-dimensional way, it's still on like a two-dimensional computer screen. So sometimes when you see the final product, it might not end up looking like it did on the screen. But I'm so happy with this. This is exactly what I wanted. And with these 2 diamond bracelets, I think my bracelet collection is finally complete. So last, I saved my Cartier unboxing right here. And I first want to say this is actually not my first Cartier piece, but the other 2 pieces that I own from Cartier, I never got to do like a true unboxing for it. So that's why I'm saying this is like my first real like Cartier unboxing. And just to show you guys like first the little freebies that I got, or I don't know, would I really call them freebies? It's just like little things that were included to preserve, I guess, your jewelry from Cartier. And I just think this is such a stark contrast to what I get from Van Cleef & Arpels. So I wanted to mention it because I got this like flat pouch, as well as this one that is more like of a cushiony one. And then I even got this cleaning kit right here too. And at Van Cleef & Arpels, I get none of that. It's literally just like the box with the item in it. So here is also the certificate of authenticity, and for the main event from Cartier, which is the item itself, and look at the wax seals on the side. And I don't really know why they gave such a long box. It doesn't seem like it fits with the piece that I got, but who knows, who knows. I haven't actually ever seen someone's unboxing for this specific item, so maybe this is in fact how they wrap this. It's upside down right now. Okay, let's open it this way. And here is the gorgeous box from Cartier. I love those gold accents on it. And then, oh, okay, this is why they gave such a huge box. So this is the piece that I got from Cartier. Let me lift this a bit so it's not where like the push button is. So this is the piece that I got from Cartier. It's the Clash necklace. It's the smaller of the 2 sizes, and it's in rose gold, and this is the plain version without the diamonds. So this is what the Clash necklace looks like worn on the shorter setting, and I just think this stack looks so nice together. It kind of all has this kind of like triangular theme to it, including my bangle right here. There is definitely that triangular theme going on with all these pieces, even though they all look slightly different. Yeah, I did intend for this to happen, just saying. And I just love how this all looks together. The ear cuff I probably wouldn't wear with this entire batch of jewelry, so let me just put back on the diamond studs from Idyl, because that is probably how I'm going to wear and style like all these pieces that I currently have on, just with simple diamond studs. And these, because they're the big size from Idyl, they're actually quite significant in size, so I actually just tend to wear these studs on their own a lot too. So that's one side. And I'll just talk about why I decided to go for the Cartier necklace without diamonds as I put on this other side of my earrings. So I actually intended on getting the necklace with the diamonds on it. So they have 2 different types. They had one that has been released for a while now that has bigger diamonds on the kind of like center of the Cartier necklace, like going across like in the middle. And those diamonds are like pretty substantial, but the thing is, it totally messes with the design of like the Clash necklace, or like just the Clash design in general. So I never really considered that one, but then eventually, more recently, they came out with this other diamond version that has like smaller little diamonds on it, but kind of like follows that pyramid-like shape across the Clash necklace. And I actually thought that that was going to be the one that I would go for. But then when I went to try it on in the boutiques, those diamonds did not show up whatsoever. Like, you could barely even see it. I have some footage that I took when I was at the boutique, so I'll insert it right here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I couldn't see it whatsoever, even when I was holding it in my palm, like just like about a foot away from my face. I just couldn't see it. And the diamond version is like close to $4,000 more than the one that I got. And I was like, wait a second, why am I paying $4,000 for diamonds that I can't even see? So I was like, okay, I'm just going to get the plain one. This is kind of like great news because I could save myself $4,000. Usually I love all things that have diamonds on it, which is why I love my Idyl pieces, and I went for, you know, 2 custom bangles that are just full of diamonds. But yeah, for this necklace, I just really didn't see the point. So yeah, I'm so glad that I was actually able to save a little bit of money with this. And these are all of the unboxings that I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of all of these pieces that I unboxed today. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing for lots more new videos on luxury handbags, jewelry, and fashion coming up. And I'll leave 2 videos on the screen for you to watch next. So I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.